Hello guys, and welcome back for another video on the Nashorn restoration. I'm Rob, and this video will talk about all the things that happened with the tracks, also the new tracks that you can order through the email address in the description. So if you want to know more about it, please contact me and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We have pulled some of the pins out for checking if there is something wrong with it and how the wear and tear looks. You can see some shiny spots, but nothing serious. It's normal that you have polished surface a little bit. I haven't seen anything obvious, but I have a red dye and a developer for checking for cracks that you can't see with the naked eye. Already cleaned the pins, and I'm gonna paint them with the red dye, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then clean the excess dye off, and then spray the developer on it. It's like a white chalk, and that pulls out the dye if there are cracks. So the dye will be in the cracks and will be pulled out by the developer. I will let it sit for 15 minutes and then turn them over to the other side and then do the cleaning up. So time for the second layer. Well, not second layer, but the other side. You can see most of it ran around, so it's good. I need to add a little bit so that every surface is coated. And then wait another 15 minutes. So it's time to clean them off and then see what happens. They have to be really clean, otherwise the developer will color directly. I'm gonna clean off the excess first and then use like a brake cleaner or another thinning agent to make sure there's nothing left on the outside. So if there are any cracks, then it should be quite clear. This dries like a white powder, and if there are some remnants left from cleaning, then you will have like a bit of a pink color, but the crack will show up very clearly like a line. I don't see any signs of cracking on this side. I'll give you a close up. You can see a little bit of a pink color, but no clear lines. That will show up in red. So there are no cracks to be found. And it probably would only crack if they would be too hard. Missed a little bit of a spot, so put some more developer on. So I've reached every spot. But no obvious cracking, so that's good. So these are the track links are bent worst. You can see there's a lot of twist in it. And these are also cracked. We had two more that also have similar bend but no cracks, and this is one of them. We had to grind it off, otherwise we couldn't take it off. You can see here more cracking. Even the track pin has been broken. But when you look at how much it's bent, it's a wonder that they stayed together. So it's a really good quality track. A lot of other links are like this. You can see straight to the hole, but when you go over you can see it's bent, so it's twisted. Probably we can repair these, but we are talking about selling these off and then putting new ones in between. But maybe we're going to save a few just to see how they will last after repairing, so that we also know that. So if you're interested in helping us out with repairing the Nashorn, you can buy links. There will be around 85 euros each, except for this piece. This will be about 250, 300 euros. And then we can buy replacement links. So let me know in the comments or send me an email. Link will be in the description, and we will talk about the possibilities. And in the meantime also started replacing the return rollers with the rubber ones. So two have been replaced by now. As you can see, the Nashorn is still in the museum. And for the next few months there is a holiday in the country. The Nashorn will still be there, so a lot of opportunity to visit it. And at 4 dates we will also be working on the Nashorn. So if you will be interested in looking at the Nashorn while we are working on it, keep an eye on our Facebook page, and I will post the dates of the time that we will work on it, and then you can also come and buy merchandise and check us out and talk to us. We already bent the fender back a little bit, and I think we will leave it like this is, and not repair it fully. Only this point is a bit sticking out, so we will take that off. But yeah, now you can see part of the story of the Nashorn. The other side of Nashorn, everything is okay. Only the return rollers need to be replaced. There's still the late steel model. We want to put the rubber early types back on. Also in the front deck has been off, and the gearbox and differential have been taken out for repairs. Both are okay, but the clutch plates need to be replaced. And for the differential, it had still the part on of the broken prop shaft that we still need to repair. So at first this drive shaft snapped. It's a little bit too weak. Now we got towed, and the entire final drive came off when we hit a tree. Tracks are really bent, so we lost about 26 links.